I smoked tobacco back when I was a slave. Then I broke that chain. Now I'm free. And I would get drunk every day. Then I broke that chain. Now I'm free. But I sounded real long when I found the enemy within and in control of me. And I belong to him. This is the sound of revolution. They're breaking chains. Everyone to be free. No one is born to die. We have all been born to live. How is that from my friend? The celebration is a lie, for the revolution is at hand. I would eat anything back when I was a slave. Then I broke that chain. Now I'm free. I did not want to think, I wanted to feel everything. Then I broke that chain. Now I'm free. Well, I put my armor on and then I took my sword in hand. And since I cut them chains away, I'm alive for the first time. This is the sound of revolution. Make this your battle cry. No one's ever born to die. We have all been born to live. How's this for a bomb, my friend? The celebration is a lie, for the revolution is at hand. So stop your arguing and stop your bitching and moaning. Turn away from your anger and turn away from your greed. Have patience and forgiveness and become free. You can be free. You're a slave. Think about it. Can you think about it? Think about that. This is the sound of revolution that cut the chains. Everyone to be free. Yeah. No one is born to die. We have all been born to live. How is that for a bomb, my friend? The celebration is a lie. The 4th of July is a lie. And the revolution is at hand. This is the sound of revolution. Make this your battle cry. No one's ever born to die. We have all been born to live. How's that for a bomb, my friend? The celebration is in line.